in and red 8. Rolling out with the red, white and blue smoke, they switch to white smoke and get ready to fly the Revolution. Reaching a height of around 6,500 feet, they put on their red smoke as they get ready to draw a fabulous heart here in the sky. Keep your eyes to the top right of the heart. Here comes red 9 to add a final touch as he draws a spear through this heart. Cameras ready. Red smoke on is red 4. He's Martin and Light 9 with Jippo with their